everyone, it's Emile here, and today I've got a special guest on my channel, my brother Louis, and this is Louis' set, which is the Obi Wan Kenobi and Darth Vader Brickhead, and we're going to be building this today. So yeah, let's open it up and see how many bags we've got inside.
So I need scissors, hang on.
No, you've got it, Louis, I've got it.
Okay. No, I mean here's so.
No, but we only need to open it.
Oh, okay.
Bag. How many bags are there? Oh, I've got one. What? There's 2 bags. Well, 4 but 2.
Yeah.
And there's 2 thingies.
I think this is the Darth Vader one.
That would be the Darth Vader, isn't it?
And this is number 1.
And this would be the Obi Wan Kenobi. So yeah, we'll get to the build and we'll see you in a minute. Right, so me and Louis have finished the build. So what do you think about it, Louis?
Can I start with the character first? And then?
Yeah, you can start with one.
So, I think this guy looks really cool with the printed details and the eyes are very realistic and yeah. And this one looks like a nature wooden theme. But
He's called
it's
Obi
not.
Wan Kenobi.
I know.
And you know which one this is.
Yeah.
Darth Vader.
Darth Vader. Oh, I don't know. Sorry. Good guy, bad guy.
So do you think it was an easy build or a hard build or like a medium build?
It was as I've never built something on your channel, but I have built the Walker before. I'd say this is like an easy build.
Yeah, probably one of the easiest,
Yeah.
easier ones. So yeah, that's all for today's video. And make sure you subscribe, because at 500 subscribers
We will be
I will be building the Lego Technic McLaren at 500 subscribers, because my dad set me a challenge. So yeah, make sure and subscribe and bye.